Hey guys, welcome to From Browser, and today we bring two cost-effective products from Redmi for you, and it's the latest model. My left one is Redmi Note 11T Pro, and the right one is Redmi Note 11 SE 5G, and both of them are cost-effective products. And my left one is the middle end smartphone, and my right one, the Note 11 SE, is the entry-level king in the market. So today we will have a very quick and a very simple talking on these two models. We will talk about the basic specifications and review the basic features on these two models. So first I will talk on the appearance of these two models. So my left one, the Note 11T Pro and the 11 SE, both of them have the totally different design language. So on the design is also different compared to their last generation, the Note 11. This one they use the silver plastic back, and the camera is triple rear camera. Both the cover and the camera zone and also the frame are totally silver color, and in front we find it's a black when we don't turn the wake up the screen. So it's pure design, and also the thickness is not so thin. It's 8.92. Yes, on the sorry, is 8.87 mm of the height. And for this one also it have a special design on the camera zone. It's also different compared to the other models, and also the back cover is a plastic back cover, but the cover is dark and a bit black and blue on the cover. On the color one, and also the frame this time is also, it's not like the Redmi Note. It's also blue, and also the screen in front is black as well. The color is black, and for the thickness is 8.92 mm. You know, actually this one the battery is bigger, a bit bigger than this one, but the thickness, this one is actually a bit thin than this one. So this is about the appearance. So both are not so attractive, and both are not so high-end. It's just a normal design, and you can choose which the favorite, the preferred one you like. And so this is about the appearance. And next I will talk about the processor. Like this one, they use the MediaTek Dimensity 7. So yes, first let's begin from the processor. Actually, we will talk these two devices from the design, the appearance, then the processor, then the battery, then the screen display, and then the camera, and then the battery. So first, let's begin from the processor one. And so this time for the Note 11 SE, they use the MediaTek Dimensity. Yes, we find here the Dimensity 700 processor. It's a 7 nm processor. Also is the RAM and ROM support. It's a 400 and 128 RAM and ROM combination, and it support UFS 2.2, and also the the RAM support LPDDR4X. So this is about the processor of this one. And for the left one, the 11T Pro, this device is have a much higher processor. It's a Dimensity, MediaTek Dimensity 8100. It's the latest chip from the MediaTek. It have 5nm produced technology. It supports LDDR5 and UFS 3.1. So on the process one, so this my left one is much higher than, much advanced than the right one. It's surely is because the price is one. This one is focused on the entry level, and this is middle end. So this one is actually the higher specification on the processor. So this is about the processor. And next, let's go to the battery. And for this one, the SE, they use the 5000 big battery, and for this one, the 11T Pro, they use the 5080 mAh big battery. So only 80 mAh larger than the SE. But for the charger speed, the Note 11T Pro is 67 watt fast charging, and the entry level one, the SE, is only 18 watt fast charging. From 0 to 100% charger, this one 1 hour and 30 minutes, and this one the 67 watt is actually 40 to 1 hour. It can get 35 to 45 minutes. It can get fully charged. So this is much higher. And also we can see from the box is the charger is the main features that this one they want to highlight. And so this is about the battery, and also the screen. Also I want to mention the haze. So this one get a big battery, but the thickness is less than this one. So this one gets good control and handle feelings on the on your hand. And about the screen, this one, the SE, they have the 6.5 inch screen, and this one have a 6.6 inch, just a bit larger screen than the SE. The T Pro larger than the SE, and both of them support very nice refresh rate. This one is have a 90 Hz refresh rate, and this one is have a much higher, the 144 Hz refresh rate. This one also have the 3 grade adaptive thinning display technology, 30, 50, 60, 90 Hz, and also this one have a 7 grades. Same grade is 30, 48, 50, 60, 90, 120, 144, 7 grade. So this is much better than this one. And also both of them, also for this one, they use the LCD screen, is more friendly for your eyes. And for the brightness, this one, the Note 11 SE, the peak is 400 nit, and the T Pro is 650 nit. It's much bright when you use it in the sunshine environment. So this is also good. And also the display, I want to mention is that this one they passed the DisplayMate A+ certification on the display. So it's also very nice for this one. And so this one is not so expensive than this one, but also it have a support 90 Hz refresh rate, and also it have a 180 Hz touch rate on the screen. So this is about the screen. screen and comparison. Also, the next is about the camera. This is have a front camera 80 megapixel and real dual cameras is 48 megapixel main camera and 200 megapixel 2 megapixel portrait mode. It supports 180p video recording on the camera one. So I can show you. Yes, this is about the camera and also the front camera. And also for this one, it's have a 64 megapixel real camera and 80 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens. Also for the front one is the 60 megapixel front camera. We can also yes. So yes, so this is about the battery, the camera. Yes. So this is about the camera, and also for the other things I have to mention, I think is the both of them, they use the for the entry level or for the cost-effective product from Redmi. Both of them have the 3.5 mm headphone jack, and all of them have the dual speaker. Also, this one have the dual speaker, and this one, all of them have the infrared remote control functions here. So these functions are really helpful for the users as well. So this is about the very quick and very simple comparison video on these two models. Though it's not so scientific to compare these two models, I just want to show you the difference between these two models. This is focused on the middle or high end or the low end, but here is on for the entry level. Both of them are cost-effective product from Redmi. And if you want to buy a phone for your kids or for your parent, maybe this one, the entry level King Note 11 SE is a good choice for you, because it's also 5G low end product and for the 5G. And also for this one is a bit middle and high end. You can play games, you can get good video experience. Also you can get big battery rate and fast charging speed from this one, but the price is really cheap as well. So all of them are cost-effective product. You can choose it if whatever you like. And so this is a very simple and very basic introduction video on these two models, and I hope you like it, and hope you can stay tuned and wait for more cool gadgets from here from the phone brother. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.